Hey everybody. So today we're playing Silent Dark. And I think I played this once before. It was extremely scary. So we're going to play it today. Alright, so Puppy Plays 14 here. Alright, turn on the radio, left click. Alright. Oh god. Oh god. What time is it? Oh, what the heck? Okay. Left click to pick up objects. Let's right click. It's getting dark outside. It sure is. Make sure doors and windows are closed. Turn on all the lights. Well, let me out that door. Just gonna turn on all the lights. Not because I'm scared. Oh god, that clock scared me. Alrighty, let's see what's in the fridge today. Do I want to eat cheese? Let's see, I'm gonna make a cheese sandwich. Oh, those are eggs. Okay, what is this? I don't want to go to sleep yet. I want to eat something. I'm hungry. Put it down here. I can't. There's something else up there. What is that? There's milk. There's milk up there. Okay. Well, if I'm gonna go to sleep, I at least want to put the eggs up. And the cheese. Now, let's have some pretty freaky dreams. Oh my god! The hair to my character scared me, like my character's hair is frozen there, and it scared me. Oh god. This game nearly gave me a heart attack before. And I'm out in the lake. Not sure. I think that's the moon. Is this my house? What am I doing outside? It's a rock. Or something. Yeah, it's a rock. Nope, can't climb the rock. Oh, what's this? It's a ramp. Oh, more like. Go swimming? No. Not sure exactly what I am to do. Why are there trees in the water? Nothing at all. Oh, wait. There's something here, I think. Yep. What's in here? Oh god. Oh, now I remember this stream. I don't like this. Okay, I remember this stream very clearly. I don't like this stream. Okay, we're gonna go through here. God, I'm so scared. God. Why am I so small? Oh God, I hear something. Okay. Oh my God. Why can't I move this chair? I want to move the chair. Come on. Come on. There we go. That works too. I can't reach it. Let's just do something over and walk on it. Yeah. Come on, chair. Come on, chair. Oh, you mean the stool. Right. Okay. Come on. Get up there. There we go. Oh my God, I hear something. Oh my God. I'm so scared. Plate broke. Maybe the door is locked for a reason. I'm gonna close my eyes. I'm covering my eyes. Oh, there's a door here. Oh! Open the door. Open the door. No, no, get out of bed. Get out of bed. Get out of bed. Stay out of bed. Oh my God. Get out of bed. Yeah, I'm going back upstairs. Oh God. Why is the front door open? Screw that. Screw that. I'm gonna go back to bed. I'm going back to bed. Oh my God. Go to bed. Go to bed. Go to bed. I can't go to bed. I'm gonna go stand in the corner here. I'm so scared. I don't hear nothing no more. I feel like I'm gonna throw up. That's how scared I am. Where's the door at? The front door. Why are my lights off? I thought I turned them on before I went to bed. Oh my God! I really wish my character stopped glitching like that. There's no aliens in Agra Lake. Go back to bed. I'm pretty sure there's some aliens around here. I'm like shaking right now. Okay. Oh crap. I wasn't paying any attention. Okay, close the door. Close the door. There we go. So, I have my pencil here. Stab it in somebody's eye if they get too close. Oh. Here's my coffee cup. Can I stand on the chair? There we go. Let's put the pencil in the coffee cup. Oh, wow. It was like a huge miss. Come on. Oh well. Let's get the chair. Alright, let's go. Enough goofing off. We got some serious business to do. We're at work. I don't think I want to be down here. Oh my god, these boxes. There's something in there. And we know it's that door. I'm not. There's nothing in here. I'm seeing things. God, I hope I'm seeing things. Oh, I'm going backwards, I think. Yeah, I'm going backwards. So it looks like I have no choice but to go back through this door over here. Oh my god, why does that scare me every time? The Awakener has arrived. The Awakener has arrived. What's the other side say? Wake up. It can hear your dream. Turn on all the lights. I don't want it. Turn on all the lights. This light's on. Oh, the light remembered when I turned it on this time. Lights on. There's something in the window. Oh my god. Stay inside. Make sure all the windows and doors are locked. I hope all the windows and doors are locked. Shut the door. Shut the door. Shut the door. Shut the door. Why is it my door shutting? You can't get in. You can't get in. Go to bed. Get in bed. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm like terrified. Oh my god. Where's my, here it is. So got our pencil again, our coffee cup, and our chair. I can't get on my chair. Oh look, we got our fan. Okay. I'm so scared.